So today we're using the Clickoject Pro safety syringe 10 ml. As you can see, it comes with its own needle. Now the syringe itself has two safety features. There's a lock here, and there's a tiny pointer here at the nozzle. So you should not tamper with it, because if you do, it will come out like this other one, where already it has already been disabled. So for this, the way it is when it's resting, or the daytime position that you find it, you use it that way. Once you want now to draw fluid, as the way it is, you just now pull back. As you can see, and once you've administered or are done, you should push it to the far end. Now you should push it to the point where you hear popping. So there was a small pop. Now if we try to reuse it, it can't, because the auto disable has already been undone. And that's how the Clickoject Pro use prevention works.